everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the beautiful Blackberry Farm in Aurora, Illinois, a charming family destination where history, nature, and fun come together, from scenic train rides and paddle boats to pony rides, a vintage carousel, and a living history village. There's something here for visitors of all ages. Let's get started.
I really like the one he's sitting
Sticky bread. This bread. You did it. And
I got some baby chickens here. So once they get a little bigger.
Yeah.
She left me. Yeah, I feel everything.
Now go fit. Sarah, you fit?
I'm afraid of the big one. You pushed my hand.
Yay, good job. Sanvi, finally I saw you. Good job, Sanvi. They're waiting for you. You are dropping. Sarah, I want to feed more. Come.
I need to feed them.
How many you see?
I'll not feed them. The pig is inside. You see that?
Cow and grass.
They're like electrons. Like energy. Like we can't see. Jen.
Hold and go. Yeah, good job. It's okay, it's okay.
I want to go.
Okay, come back, come back. Good job. You like it, Sarah? Sarah, say hi.
Good afternoon, you mean? Good afternoon! We're sleeping!
Horse, 2 horse.
Tractor! Oh my God!
Sarah, say bye to Hera. Guys, ready for tunnel?
Toronto!
You should sit over here.
এটা মাছের রোল চাই দিয়েছে
Yeah, tunnel coming soon. Who can scream louder? Who can scream louder?
That's us. We can scream loud.
We're the scream. Okay.
No, everyone scream.
We're the scream. Okay.
Scream too. No, screaming is allowed. We're the scream. Okay, let's scream. Done it.
गुड़ाए ट्रैक्टर ट्रॉली पर
You can do front, but not outside of train.
Bunny.
Tension, it'll twist it. Wool fibers have little scales and hooks on it.
Roll. The cotta hai ki? The wash hai ki? First, this is the roll that the cotton
Close that. You ready?
Then you wash it.
Alright.
And the keys. You know how to keys?
Yeah.
So like this.
That's how I'm going
This
that way.
is called teasing the wool. Okay? Once it is
Alright, now
bend it down here.
alright, this is called the beater. You ready?
That same
Come.
I'm gonna get two of one. Wait, I think they used the nails to hammer this in. They used the nails to hammer this one in, I think.
Wait, did you use the nails to
Hammer this in? Did you?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I noticed about it because it's black.
Sun be left. Train, survive.
Hi guys! Hi boys! Hi boys! Wait, tell us the direction! Crash!
No, not cross. Right. Kristika. Right. Now straight.
What's your rest? Oh, okay, I can be like this. I know, I get to.
Hey, towards Kristika.
Hi guys! Hi guys! We're rolling!
You two are my worker. I'm relaxing.
Hi! I'm her worker! Did you know I'm her worker? Me too! Okay! It's hard to tell. Yeah, sure! Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
If we crash, it's Kashika and Mama's fault.
Okay.
How is it level?
Now towards Anvi.
You're controlling it. Mama's sitting and relaxing and not doing anything. And you
What I will do?
And you're also guiding her. So basically, yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm just pedaling. And
Now
then
straight.
Mama, this is too small. It's choking me. Definitely sleeping. Hi everybody! We're workers named Krishika and Zombie. Okay. We do all the work.
Towards Anvi.
Every single time. We do all the work. And sleeping. I Captain.
Okay.
Hey, record me too.
Yeah, I'm recording.
Now
straight.
Aye, Captain. I woke up from a long dream.
Okay. Little bit towards Anvi.
Aye, Captain.
Little bit towards Anvi.
Captain, are we just gonna sleep now?
No. Go straight.
Oh. ବର୍ଷା ହେଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗୁଛି।
We had so much fun at Blackberry Farm. We enjoyed the carousel and train ride multiple times, and I rode one of the boats with Krisika and Mama. We skipped the pony ride because the line was too long. We've visited Blackberry Farm before, but this was our first time coming with friends, which made the day even more special. If you're looking for a fun and budget-friendly place for kids in Aurora, Illinois, Blackberry Farm is one of the best choices. Admission is only $8 per person, and it includes all the rides and attractions, making it an amazing value for families. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Stay tuned for more fun adventures, family outings, and exciting videos. See you in the next one.